Greetings, fellow traders. Bowman here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, May the 3rd, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check see where we left off the market here today. So SPX starting off a fresh month right here with kind of a just choppy range here, but we're still in the top of last month's candle. So that's good. Weekly chart a little bit tricky. Inside week here, we're in last week's candle as well. Again, we're starting to get a little bit, kind of overbought right here. Possible bearish divergence, right? Uppers. We've been talking about this every day, so we'll just kind of keep an eye on it and see how it goes. In the meantime, still holding the ADMA, right? So the big thing that we're tracking right here is what's this wave count doing? Multiple bullish counts on this one. We're just getting a lot of choppy price action right now, right? So we kind of have this ABC up, right? We could be in a wave two. This could be one. I mean, honestly, this could be ABC wave two, and we could be getting ready for the other wave to get going right here. But I like to see if we get a little more pullback, and then maybe a wave, 5 waves down, and then work our way up. So maybe sort of like an AB, 335 type move. So we'll see how that goes on the SPX. Let's take a look at the SPY. Again, guys, SPY's generally been pretty blah, right? So decreased volume from Friday, but ended up getting a little bit of volume into the close there with some selling off, so that was pretty cool. We actually pointed this out on the live stream at the close, the chance here for the gap fill, right? So we had generally a pretty choppy day today. There was a couple opportunities right here, but this drop right here, we finally lost the magic channel this afternoon, and then we just basically talked about here losing the low of the day could really go for the gap fill. We pointed that out on the live stream at the close here today, so that was some good stuff there. MES. Again, same thing, right? So just like we said, this is a key geometric loss right here. So losing that geometric line got right to the gap fill. So good stuff there. It looks like we're getting a little bit of weakness here after hours here too. The Qs again, guys, that was a huge rejection of the ascending triangle high, and then just almost a complete vertical down move there today. So just be careful if that turns into a bear flag going into tomorrow. The IWM generally hanging up there, but it ended up getting below the ADMA there today. The XLF basically closed right at its 15 orb range, so a little bit of chop there. So we'll see how that goes going into tomorrow. Apple, guys, gave us when the Qs were going down, Apple gave us a nice move. It dropped right out of its signal zone here today. I pointed this out as a short to the group. Nice increased volume candle right here to get us down to the next levels below. Exceeded my expectations on that one, but was still nice. Tesla. So Tesla again, quick drop at the open right here, and then give another drop opportunity here through the signal zone. So nice stuff there. Ended up kind of chopping there into the end of the day, but gave a couple good opportunities there as well. And then we have AMD, guys. This is actually our trade of the week idea on the short side this week from the weekly newsletter. And this just gave us a really nice follow-through downside. It turned into a fantastic day trade today. It's basically hit our target already, so we're right at these support levels. But we'll see how they hold. If this does break down and we lose like 78, this area, we might hit the 75 area. So keep an eye on that on AMD. Again, we like this one primarily that it gave us a nice shooting star candle on the weekly chart right here off of the mid-Bollinger Bands, right? So that was a nice move there too, going into this week. So good stuff there. A couple other ones keep on the radar, guys. CCJ. Big breakout candle on this one. Uranium name is looking strong. FedEx transports are pretty strong here too, but a big breakout on FedEx, guys. This is like a larger. We talked about this on the Elliott Wave Show recently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be working on wave 5. Also look at the cup and handle right here. It tried to break out the other day, pulled back, retest, and then out today. So look for FedEx. See if it wants any more upside on this cup and handle. Other than that, a couple other names too. iRobot with earnings after hours. I believe it gave a pop after hours and then back down. So yeah, big pop and then big back down again. So iRobot's a really tricky name to trade. Spreads are kind of rough. One more to just kind of keep on the radar for tomorrow. Looking pretty bearish. Big drop on Tilray today. Bad write-up about it in Barron's over the weekend. Increased volume candle under the ADMA. So keep an eye on this one. See if it wants to work its way down to kind of that 15 area. So anyway, guys, good stuff. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the free YouTube live stream tonight at 7:30. And until then, stay healthy out there and remember your risk first.